Hello, dear friends. Let's learn some new vocabulary. Intuition. Intuition. It means ability to understand immediately. My intuition told me not to trust him. Misogynist. Misogynist. A person who holds hatred against women. His father is a misogynist. Precarious. Precarious. It means uncertain or condition that is unstable. He has a very precarious personality. Bang on. Bang on. Something which is exactly correct. He banged on his gas. Converged. Converged. It means come together to meet at a single point. This whole happened converged into his success. Pauper. Pauper. A person who is very poor. Despite his all hard work, he remained a pauper. Resentment. Resentment. It means bitterness or disappointment. His resentment had taken him to his failure. Destitute. Destitute. It means poverty. Sluggishness is the cause of destitute. Sluggishness is the cause of destitute. Mortified. Mortified. It means feel ashamed. It's all my mistake and I am mortified. Please subscribe the channel and must comment if you like the video. Goodbye.